Hi, this is Paul Ziliak from XK0, the publishers of iSales 100 mobile sales app for Sage 100 ERP. And as our product becomes more and more popular, one of the requests that we get from the Sage business partners is how can I do my own product demonstration? So I'd like to take just a couple of minutes of your time today and show you the best way to do that. So the first thing that you'll want to be able to do is download an application. This is something we recommend called Reflector. And what Reflector does, and you'll find it at reflectorapp.com, is what it does is it provides a mechanism for you to be able to demonstrate in real time off your iPhone or your iPad any application and then run that through either your desktop PC, your laptop PC, or a Mac or a MacBook Pro. And then what you're able to do is create either projected presentations if you're in person, or a GoToMeeting, a GoToWebinar, WebEx, that sort of thing for a mass group of people. So with Reflector, if you want to try it out, they actually do offer a free download. The free download is good for 10 minutes, which we've found to be really the bare minimum amount of time to make sure that the app is going to work for us. And then you can purchase it for a single workstation license is about $12, and a 5 workstation license is about $50. It's very simple. And once you have that installed, then you'll have Reflector running in the background. Okay, so that's all the back end that you need to do to get set up for this. And then the next thing that's going to happen, actually, how Reflector powers into play, is what Reflector does is it recognizes the AirPlay functionality on your iPhone or your iPad. And by turning on this mirroring function, then I'm automatically able to display anything off of my iPad. So just real quickly, I'm going to double tap on my home button of the phone, and that's this button down here I'm referring to as the phone button. When I double click on that, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the left, and that's where I'll find the AirPlay button to do the mirroring back between my PC and my mobile device. So here I'm going to turn it off, and now I'm going to turn it back on, and just like that, it's available. So now I have my iPhone, could be my iPad, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my App Store, and I've already started my search here for iSales 100, and I'm going to tap on iSales 100, and I recognize that as being the application that I want to download, and I'm going to start my installation process. Okay, I just did that in real time, and now I'm going to open the application for the first time, and my login is demo, and my password is password. Now I've logged in, and you'll see down here the little recycle button, as I like to think. That's a synchronize button. I've got two options, sync orders and sync all, and what I want to do is I want to sync all, and that's going to bring down for me all of my contacts, customers, items, and so on directly from a demo database of XK0s that's running. So that's where it's grabbing that data. So this is just going to take about 20 seconds to do that, to get set up for your demo. And now once I've done that, I'm ready to start demoing the application. So, immediately, and you can see we just started this about 2 minutes ago, I'm able to demonstrate iSales, how I can integrate with the maps, how I can see all of my ship tos. I can make a phone call here. If I say yes to this, it's going to disconnect the Reflector app. That's the one piece of functionality that does that. And you'll see I've got immediate integration with email or the web and so on. I think you're all aware that we can create orders or quotes and so on, adding inventory items as we go with free form type search, and so on. So what I'm not going to do right now is I'm not going to create a full featured demo, but I'm just showing you how you can do your own demos. At this point, most of you are familiar with the application at this time. So that's really it. And of course, you know, for me, I've got a back end as well too. This is to our demo server, and that's the power that I have for that. And I'll encourage you all to, you know, contact me if you would like to include the back end as part of your demo. But otherwise, that's a quick way to get up and go and be demoing the iSales 100 product for your customers. Again, this is Paul Ziliak from XK0. Please feel free to contact me at any time for additional information. Thank you.